Hello Algebra 1A students. This video is called End of Semester Project Topics, and basically what I'm going to do is I'm going to go through the 17 topics that you will get to choose from for your end of semester project. Now I would probably kind of pick out your top 3 because sometimes the group goes before you, takes the one you want, and just having your top 3 is a good way to be safe. Now don't forget that you are going to get to choose a partner as well, and you might want to take into account what they would like to do as well. That should be kind of on your radar as well. So without further ado, here are your options. Topic 1 is a table that looks at the year and the percent of the population married before age 25. So it's kind of looking at how early are we getting married these days, or how late are we getting married. Topic 2 is looking at fireworks usage per year in millions of pounds, okay? And it goes from 1990 to 2001, so kind of looking at how much we're using fireworks in this country. Topic 3 is looking at the Olympic pole vault records in the 20th century. Notice that this goes from 1900 to 1948. You will get to kind of predict the rest. So if you're interested in track and the Olympics, that's a good one for you as well. Topic 4 is looking at the prices of cottages versus how far away are away from the beach. So if you want to live in a beach house, this might be a good one to look at. Okay. Topic 5 is looking at the amount of trash in Florida in the last, from 1990 to 1994. So if you're kind of interested in environmental issues, this might be a really cool one to look at and to maybe use in your further development of your conservationism. Okay, so topic 6 is kind of also environmental. It's looking at the size of the American farm over time. And there's actually something really interesting. You can easily see here that it's getting bigger and bigger. So that's kind of interesting as you know, you kind of hear things about organic and factory farms and things like that. So if you're interested in that kind of stuff, topic 6 is a good one for you. Topic 7 is looking at women's 400-meter freestyle in the Olympics. So this is swimming. If you are a swimmer, this is a really great topic for you. Topic 8 shows math SAT scores versus hours spent studying. So if you're already worrying about college and you really want to get into a good college, this might be a good one to look at, because as you can see, there's a little bit of relationship between the hours you spend studying and your math SAT score. Topic 9 is looking at a family's expenses versus how much money they bring in a year. So, for example, if you bring in $37,500, your expenditure, so recreation, right, going out to the movies, going swimming, would be $1,450. So that's kind of interesting because what we're seeing as we go further in time is that expenditures are going way up versus income. Okay. Topic 10, if you're into advertisement, shows the amount of money spent on ads versus the amount of money that they got from sales for that ad. So that's kind of an interesting thing if you're looking into going to that kind of business. Topic 11 is one of my favorites. It's actually looking at the speed in miles per hour versus the stopping distance of a car. So if you're going 10 miles an hour, you need 6 feet to stop. It's kind of an interesting, phenomenon there. Now, it looks really long, but you don't actually have to plot all of those points. We can choose some for you to plot. Okay, topic 12, for those of you who like basketball, is about how many baskets you make versus how far you are from the basket. So where's the best place to stand to make the most baskets, where's the worst place to stand, etc. Topic 13 might interest some of you who want an allowance. It is allowance based off of your age. So this one you could probably take to your parents and say, look, this data shows that at age 12 I should be getting this amount of allowance. Topic 14 is looking at the population of a small town over a period of 20 years. This one's kind of cool because I think it really, it kind of mirrors what's happening in Lafayette and in Denver where you guys live, is that it's just going up, up, and up, and kind of how fast is it growing. Topic 15 is really interesting as well. It looks at the year of birth and then your life expectancy. And life expectancy is how long you live. So if you were born in 1900, you were expected to live 44 years. If you were born in 1990, you were expected to live 80 years. So it's a really cool thing to look at, when you guys were born, how old are you going to? Topic 16 is for my science nerds, okay? It's kind of looking at the pressure of water as you get deeper and deeper in the ocean. And this one's actually really cool because we don't know a lot about the bottom of the ocean. In fact, we know more about the surface of the moon than we know about the very depths of the ocean. So this one's kind of cool, and it'll help us build subs that will help us go down there and research. And this one is just pure fun. We've been talking about temperature versus ice cream sales for months when we talk about positive correlation, and I found this and I just think it's hilarious. So if you're into some hilarity and you love ice cream, this is the topic for you. Okay, so those are all 17 topics. Kind of keep an idea of what you want to do in mind, and then when you get with your partner on Monday, you guys can really quickly and easily choose which one you would like.